The Tower of Stinky Socks. Nobody ever went there until one day a large, fat kid came up and started walking. Until he saw a glove. And then he walked over the glove. He loved the smell of the tower. Even, in fact, a guy pooped in the socks. So he jumped up. He was a really high jumper, but still fat and ugly. And then he jumped to the stinky sock. And he sniffed it, and then he took it home. And then he took a picture of it. And then he's like, ooh, stinky socks, I love it. And then he went home, brought it home, and then they started kissing. And then one day, when they were older, they got married. Would you like to sit? Yeah. Have this all to be your wife? Yes. Okay. And then one day when they're old, they were like, I'm dying, me too. And then suddenly they died. The end. But beware of the stinky sock.